साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
Well, today marks 1 year of the Pahalgam terror attack in India, which claimed 26 innocent lives. The gruesome attack took place in the picturesque Baisaran meadow, where Pakistan-backed terrorists targeted innocent tourists. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has put out a message for this day. In a post on X, the Prime Minister has said that the innocent lives lost in the gruesome terror attack will never be forgotten. Further, the Prime Minister said that India will never bow to any form of terror and that the heinous designs of terrorists will never succeed. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has offered tributes to the victims of the terror attack. Speaking at an Indian community event in Berlin, the Defence Minister issued a stern warning, saying India has never attacked any country first, but if a neighbour tries to create trouble, then the response will be decisive.
भारत ने आज तक, भारत की हिस्ट्री उठाकर देख ले कोई, आज तक भारत ने दुनिया के किसी देश पर अपनी तरफ से आक्रमण नहीं किया। लेकिन जो ताकतवर होता है वो जल्दी किसी के ऊपर आक्रमण करता भी नहीं है। लेकिन यह है कि यदि अब किसी पड़ोसी ने कोई छेड़छाड़ करने की कोशिश की तो डॉट।
In Pahalgam, a memorial has been erected as a tribute to the victims of the terror attack. The memorial features the names of 26 people killed in the gruesome attack. Exactly a year ago, Pakistan-backed terrorists had attacked a crowd of tourists with automatic weapons. The terrorists had singled out tourists by religion, separated men from women and children, and shot them at close range before fleeing into the dense jungle. In response, New Delhi first suspended the Indus Waters Treaty, expelled Pakistani diplomats and even closed borders. Indian security forces launched Operation Sindoor thereafter, targeting terror infrastructure in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, including deep strike hits on terror hubs in Muridke and Bahawalpur. Reminding the enemy of the costs of any misadventure along the border, the Indian Army has put out a stern message marking the Pahalgam terror attack anniversary. In a post on X, the Indian Army shared a post which showcased the map of India with a message that read, "Some boundaries should never be crossed." Another post put out by the Army says, and I quote, "For acts against India, the response is assured, justice will always be served," unquote.